Hello everybody, I am Maria and today with this video I will show you how to use the new app MyMaxa, the new application for the thermoregulation of our environment by smartphone, dedicated to the Maxa heat pumps. Once you have downloaded the application from the stores, click on the icon to log in. Open the initial login screen where, once you have registered, you can enter your username and password. Then press Login. If no zone is configured, the heat pump is displayed immediately. By dragging the screen from top to bottom, all values displayed on the current page are updated. By swiping right or left, several heat pumps connected in a network can be displayed. From the heat pump screen, you can set the status on or off, enable or disable the sanitary mode, or change the set point choosing between comfort and eco. The LED in the lower part of display shows the mode in which the machine is set, the status of the circulator, defrosting in progress, compressor status, domestic hot water production status, and heater activation status. Click on the menu button at the top left and select Change Season. From here, we can select Summer or Winter. To confirm, press OK. Click on the menu button at the top left and select the Set Point item. From this page, it's possible to modify the normal and economy parameters of the heat pump, the sanitary set point, offset and cycle period in case of cascade configuration. The heat pump screen displays any malfunction alarms. To display the error, open the drop-down menu and select the heat pump alarms. Now select Programming from the menu. Then select Heat Pump. It is possible to select programming for both summer and winter. By selecting a band and pressing the edit symbol, you can change its start and end times, status and set point. You can also add or delete time bands. Remain in the programming section and select sanitary. You can turn sanitary production on or off for each band and also add or remove bands here. Finally, in the programming section, we also find the anti-legionella function. It is possible to select a day and time for the start of the anti-legionella cycle. From the heat pump page, simply click on the Program window to activate the programming set of the heat pump. For example, if I choose the programming and I am inside a band where the heat pump is running, we can see the compressor start up and the machine starts operating. Here I am again. Thank you for your attention, and I remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell to not lose all the new videos. And I remind also to follow us on our Facebook and LinkedIn pages to keep up to date. See you soon, bye!